Well, the BJP has begun its protest against the Election Commission for its last-minute decision to grant permissions to hold public meetings in Varanasi after it had first denied permission to Modi from holding his address in his constituency. Joining us live from Varanasi are our correspondents Aditya as well as Pooja. Pooja, if I could come to you first, give us a ground situation update on the protest that the BJP is holding there.
A defiant, confident Bharatiya Janata Party here in Varanasi protesting. I am in fact at the Kashi Hindu Vishwavidyalaya, which is the Banaras Hindu University. This is the Lanka Gate. This is where the BJP is all set to organize that protest to be led by senior leader of the party, Arun Jaitley. As you can see, rapid action force personnel have in fact been put in place. There are of course the UP police personnel as well. This is primarily for the law and order situation that needs to be maintained, because we are expecting a large number of people to in fact congregate here. If I can just give you a sense of this area, this is a very busy in fact intersection here in Varanasi, and therefore as you can see people donning the saffron cap of Narendra Modi for PM. They are donning these scarves, and basically the protest and the reason is it is a showdown not only between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Election Commission, but also the state administration, which clearly refused permission for a lot of rallies and public meetings that Modi was in fact about to hold. But the district administration now says 4 out of 5 have been approved, to which a defiant BJP says we are not now even going to go for the Aarti Pujan. We will make sure that first our dharna, our message is sent out. So today we are going to witness a showdown between the BJP, the Election Commission and the state administration, apart from an already showdown between Narendra Modi, Arvind Kejriwal and from the Congress, Ajay Rai. So certainly all action here begins in just few moments when Arun Jaitley is all set to arrive here, leading these protesters. As you can see, chants of Narendra Modi, slogans, and I can tell you that when Narendra Modi filed the nomination, there was literally a sea of people here in Varanasi. Today, even if that is not going to be the number, there are enough supporters and locals here from Banaras who are all set to in fact join in the protest. It remains to be seen how does the Congress defend its decision. I can tell you the opposition has disassociated itself from any possible interference with the Election Commission or with the district administration, but a defiant BJP very clearly maintaining that it is a conspiracy to make sure that Narendra Modi is not able to in fact come here and campaign, considering he is the candidate of the BJP here in Varanasi.